Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Alpide project located near Old Fisheries Road, Versova, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And as you can see, this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction will soon begin. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have one tower of 2 basements, ground plus 6 level of parking plus 22 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with deck. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near Old Fisheries University. Versova metro station is at a distance of 3 minutes and you have Versova beach at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 800 plus square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1250 plus square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10 lakhs for 2 BHK and 15 lakhs for 3 BHK. This EOI will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. Token holders will be given preference over and above others. Second is preference in inventory selection, which means the token holders will be called first on the day of the launch to select their preferable inventory. And third, 100% refundable, which means if the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason, the token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Alpide project located near Old Fisheries Road, Versova, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.